Hi, Blake with BlvdHome. Today, we're going to talk about the exciting world of Wi-Fi applications for all of your appliances nowadays. You can say, well, Blake, didn't you say on some of your other videos that they were worthless? Maybe, I might have, but things have changed. They've gotten better. So today we're just going to talk about just Wi-Fi apps in general, why you should have them, the reasons you should have them. You know, to all the people kind of on the fence, you're like, well, do I really want to set up on Wi-Fi? You really should, because there's a lot of benefits to it. You know, if you have over-the-air updates or there's software updates for your appliances, as manufacturers find out issues with appliances, they will send out over-the-air updates. And the only way you're going to receive those updates is to make sure that you have your phone connected to your appliance so it can be connected to your internet. Either you connect it to your home app or you pay a servicer to come out there to download it to you. But we don't have that ability unless we go to your home. Then you have to pay a service call for it because it's not a defect with the product, it's an update. And benefits that it will give you are vary, and some of them are kind of quirky, some of them are really neat. Take the refrigerator behind me. There's cameras in it. Well, there's actually a good reason for it. Say you're at the grocery store, now you can just pull up your app and look in your refrigerator and say, oh, look, hey, I have this stuff. As far as like dishwashers, when you buy your package of tablets, you can tell it how many tablets are in this package and tell it to let you know when there's like 10 left that you need to reorder them. So I've got a great story for you. I was at a customer's house not too long ago working on her GE washing machine. Now, this set is downstairs and she also has a set that's upstairs in her home. And after I got done fixing the problem on the washing machine, I says, why don't you have this connected to your app? It does provide a lot of great information for you, such as where it's at in the cycle, roughly how long it's going to be. It sends you push notifications when it's done, so you don't have to always go back and check it. It's actually pretty easy. Once we get the first one set up, the rest of them are easy. And she's like, oh, well, this is great because I'm always running up and down the stairs wondering, is this set done or is this set done? What set's done? Well, I said, well, yeah, you can easily go in when you're setting it up and just name these, the upstairs set, upstairs washer, upstairs dryer, downstairs washer, downstairs dryer. That way, when it sends you push notifications, you know which one's done. It provides you a lot of great information and it's gonna make your life easier. The only kind of slight issue with the apps is each manufacturer has an app. If you have multiple appliances in your home, then you have to go in and set up the app for each appliance you've got. If you have all the same, it's pretty easy. You have the initial setup for the app. Once the app is set up, then at that point, it's very easy to connect the rest of the appliances to that app. I'm sure it does give the manufacturers abilities to see how your appliance is performing, because again, all this information is going up to them and coming back to you. It's not a bad thing because they know how you're using your appliance and then they can design the appliance so it's better for you in the future. So to summarize, if your appliance has the Wi-Fi ability, I would highly encourage you to connect it to the Wi-Fi and connect it to the app. Just for all the benefits that we've named before, and we can summarize quickly. Tells you where you're at in the cycle, gives you over-the-air updates. It's convenient and you know what your appliance is doing and when it's doing it. We will, in future episodes, we're going to be able to show videos on specific manufacturers and how to set up specific manufacturers' applications for their appliances. I hope this has been a little informative, and why I truly believe as a servicer, this is going to be a benefit to you, the consumer. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again real soon.